I want to tell you something sad. Many of us feel we're in love with someone because of the phone. I've come across so many who've got married as a result. A few have been happy, but a lot say, it's not who I thought it was. You know why? Like you have Photoshop, you also have Akhlaq shop. Which means somehow their Akhlaq is shopped. You think that they're really amazing. And when you live with them, they ignore you. They're on the phone with someone else. Don't be deceived by the phone. You know, when someone says, I love you, wallahi, so many of them are just saying it because it's just like saying, hello, hi, how are you? And you know what I love you means sometimes nowadays? I want to use you. That's what it means. I promise you it means that. Have you seen what I've said once, some time back on Twitter? I said, if people can say lol without laughing, they can say I love you without loving. And I think a lot of people caught on that. But I want to add something else today and tell you, a lot of the people say, I love you, and actually mean, I just want to use you. And because women are generally, emotionally, they get more attached. It's sometimes the youth, the young men who are abusing this attachment. So be careful, abstain, be strict on yourself.